Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will learn how to convert angle between degrees and radians in Excel. When you need to convert data between two angles units, degrees and radians, degrees and minutes, or degrees and seconds, I will introduce you some quick tricks. First, we will use formula. In my worksheet, I have degrees in column A and I want the equivalent radians in column B. So in cell B2, type the formula equals to radians. Now select the cell A2 and press enter. So here we have radians for this degree. Now drag the fill handle down to these cells to autofill this formula. Now if you have the radians and you need to convert them into degrees, so apply the formula equals to degrees and select the cell A2. So here we will get the degree for this radians. Now drag the fill handle down to autofill. So this is how you can convert degrees to radians. Now we will use Kutools to do this task. If you have the Kutools, so select the range that you want to convert the angle units. So to apply unit conversion function, click on Kutools, content converter, and then click unit conversion, and a unit conversion dialog box opens. Click the drop down list and select angle under unit option, and then specify the units you want to convert between in the two list boxes. Click OK or apply. All the selected data are converted to the new units. By applying this method, your original data was changed. However, if you want to keep the original data, you can add the converted result as comments by checking the add result as comment box. With Kutools for Excel unit conversion, you can convert multiple units quickly, such as angle units, distance units, temperature units, and so on. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.